Hi everyone. Sorry this video come late. I just have some busy schedule and trying to sort some things out. Okay, today, throughout this week, we are going to be looking for a good trading opportunity, and we have quite a few, but I will only suggest you choose USD, Canadian dollar, NZDUSD, and okay, the two is okay. The reason why I told you to choose that is because we have an high impact economy, high impact news on USD. That's for we speak. We also have Retail Bank of New Zealand, Reserve Bank of New Zealand press conference, which can tell us a clue about what is going to happen to the interest rate. We also have Reserve Bank of New Zealand wage statement where you are going to announce the interest rate and monetary policy state. All these are high impact news. Also, we have high impact news on Bank of Canada Governor McLean speaking, and also USD Federal Chairman Powell speaking by 4 p.m. on by Tuesday. So Monday there could be a movement in Euro and NZD. Well, I expect major movement to start on Tuesday. If you are my student, you will have known when I told you the best time, the best day to trade. You should have known that. So let's just go to the chart. I'm going to I'm going to show you a trading opportunity on the NZDUSD currency pair, and let's see on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have the price heading, or the price already has the resistance region of 0.73 0.73037, and it seems price has not even retraced, or probably price has not really. Well, let's just take our Fibonacci from this point to see what we are into. Okay, this I will use this place, don't mind me. Okay, so Fibonacci retracement, we should be having retracement at 23.5, which has already occurred, and let's come to the daily. The daily time frame is also showing us that price has hit the resistance region, and price retraces to the 33.2% before hitting the resistance again. Currently price is at exactly at the resistance point, which we don't know whether there will be a break of the resistance, or there will be a reversal. But something happens on the daily chart. We are seeing a wedge forming, or which has formed, and the first time it formed, there was a break of this wedge, of this upper channel, but it was corrected. The second time too, we can see a break to this point, so we expect a correction here again, and possibly a downside break, because the wedge is always breaking to the downside. Okay, let me show you what I'm expected. So I'm thinking that, remember, it's just a thought. It's just a thought too. I'm thinking the price is heading down. Okay, this candlestick that you see, this green candlestick that you see, that almost look as if it has break the wedge trend line, might be a fake out. So be very careful, because this is a very strong resistance point. And looking back very well on the 8, you can see that the stochastic is at the overbought level. Okay, and the price has crossed this back, so we can expect price to at least drop to this support again, and possibly even break it. Okay, however, if this channel is broken, if this resistance is broken and the candle closes above it, then you can enter a buy sell. But nevertheless, is a very good sell trade, because the latest candle itself shows a bear candle, and the candle before it shows a spinning top. Also looking at the hem one, which one, sorry, we can see that we see some candlestick forming. Okay, there was a break, and then we see two candles forming, and then price is currently at the reversal. So price can really go a little bit up again to fake people out as if there's going to be a breakout, but it's just to lure in foolish trader in and to get in more people and more trading volume before eating down. Remember, this is one of the strategy market makers do. So my bias for NZDUSD is a sell trade. That will be my bias, because a wick has formed, a wedge has formed, and a wedge gets to the downside. And don't be fake out, because the first time price touches the resistance, there was a bounce back. I think January 4 there was a bounce back. So I expect um price to retrace, price to correct the wedge. So where will you enter from? Well, if you are a conservative trader, then I will advise you to enter the trade at 0.72570 and take your profit here. 0.715, 0.71761, or at this point 0.7160, while you set your stop loss a little bit above your entry points. That's for sell trade. But for long trade, wait for this candle to break, at least a break of 0.73193. If the candle should close above it, then you can go for a long trade. So I hope you learned something today. Do take care of yourself and have a wonderful day.